A very good afternoon friends, and in this video we are going to discuss about the differential equations. What are the differential equations? What are the significance of the differential equation? What are the degrees and the order of differential equations? How differential equations are solved? What are the particular solutions and the general solutions of differential equation? So first let me just provide one heading, that is for differential equation. Differential equation. You might have studied some different type of equations like x plus 5, or if I say x plus y equals 3, and then x plus y equals 10 and x minus y is 4. So these are two normal equations, and if you solve these two equations you will find that 2x is 14, x is 7, and then y is 3. So the solutions of these kind of equations are the numerical values 7 and 3, where you know that when we talk about these equations and the variables, then the x and y, so we call x as the independent variable and the y is dependent variable, because y can normally be expressed as 10 minus x. So we keep on assuming the values of x, so we call this as independent variable, and this variable is called as dependent variable. This variable, you choose any arbitrary value for this, like suppose if I say x is 7, then corresponding value of y we get as 3. So the value of y is 3 depends on the value of y3 depends on the value of 7. So in these kind of normal equations, our equations comprises of the independent variables and the dependent variables. But in the case of differential equations, the case are very different, because it goes like we have to find the equation like dy by dx is equal to fx. Means we have to find a function y. Suppose y is zx. So y is zx, and the differentiation of this y with respect to x. So what is independent variable? So this x is independent variable and the y is dependent variable. So the differentiation of dependent variable with respect to x, this is dy by dx, is called as differentiation of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. And equation of this kind are generally comes in the category of differential equations. Sometimes we also say that the equations which consists of the differential coefficients and the variables are called as differential equations. Now we'll come to the formal definition just a little later, but let me clear this whole thing. So the formal definition of differential equation goes like that: it is an equation which comprises of dependent variable, independent variable, and the differentiation of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Now it goes in the category of x dy over dx plus y equals 0 or something else. So now what is y? Y is dependent variable. What is x? Independent variable. What is dy by dx? This is called differentiation of dependent variable. This I call it as dv, d comma v, dependent variable, and this is independent variable. So what is this? Differentiation of y means differentiation of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called as differential coefficient, differential equation, and differential coefficient is called as dy by dx. Now two important terms comes to play when you are dealing with the differential equation. These are called as the order of the differential equations and the degree of the differential equation. Now in the differentiation you have studied that if you have a function y equal to fx, if you differentiate it once, then we say dy by dx, or this is represented as f dash x. Some authors prefer to write like y prime or y dash. So all these three things are same, and this is called the first order differentiation. When you differentiate one more times, then you get d square y over dx square, or d2y over dx2, and this one is f double dash x, and this is also called y double prime or the y double dash, and this is the second order derivative. Now if I go one more time, y triple dash d cube y over dx cube and f triple dash x, this is called the third order differentiation. And then the highest order we can go, keep on going like that, and then finally we can find yn, or f to the power nx, or d to the power ny over dx to the power n, and this is called the nth order differentiation. Nth order differentiation. So this is first order differentiation, y dash dy by dx, d square y over dx square, this is second order differentiation, and d cube y over dx cube, third order differential equation. Now differentiate, this third order differentiation, it's not differential equation. But when we talk about the order of differential equation, then we may have different situations. Like, first let me clear screen, then I come back to you. Now suppose I have one differential equation which goes like this: d cube y by dx cube plus 5 d square y over dx square to the power 3 plus 7 equals 0. So this is our differential equation, and it has, this is the third order differentiation coefficient, that is d cube y over dx cube. This is second order differential coefficient, and the power is raised to 3. Now what is order of differential equation? Order of differential equation is the power on the highest times what has been the highest order of the differential coefficient. So order of the differential equation is highest order of differential coefficient. So in this condition, you see here the highest order is 3, here is highest order is 2. So what is the highest order of this one is 3. So the degree, this order of differential equation is 3. So order of differential equation will be 3. And what is degree? Degree of differential equation is the power, the highest power, or the power you can say, on the highest order of differential equation. So what is the power on this? This is 1. So degree of this is 1. So the degree of differential equation is the highest power on the highest order. Okay, now I'll take some more examples and then we'll talk about their degrees and order one by one. So the first question of exercise 9.1 NCERT CBSE Standard 12. Now it goes like this: how to find d to the power 4y over dx to the power 4 plus sine, and in the argument here this is y double dash triple dash is 0. Means what is the order, what is the highest order of differential coefficient? This is 4. So order is 4. But we need to express this in the standard polynomial form, where I cannot express this, get rid of this y double dash. So if I try to do this, what I'll get? Sine y triple dash is minus d to the power 4y over dx to the power 4, and then y triple dash is sine inverse, this is d to the power 4y over dx to the power 4. This you cannot determine, therefore its degree is not defined. Because if it had been, suppose if it is not there, this is just y triple dash, then you can say order is 4 and the highest power on this order is 1, therefore degree is also 1. But this one makes the whole thing complicated, because you cannot express it in a polynomial of differential coefficients as the coefficients of the polynomial. So that's why your degree becomes undefined here, not defined, and this is the order is 4. Now I take another example here. This is number 2. So it goes like y dash plus 5y is 0. Now this one can also be written as dy over dx plus 5y is 0. So what is highest order? So order is 1. And what is the highest number on this? What is the number here? This is also 1. So degree is also 1. So the highest order is 1 and the degree is also 1 for this question, dy by dx plus 5y is 0. Now let me clear the screen. I will come with more examples. Okay, now the third question, third example you can say is ds over dt to the power 4 plus 3s d square s by dt square is 0. So these are the questions. I have just written the questions only. So now here you see that the highest order is here 2. So order is 2. And what is the power on this highest one? This is 1. So degree is 1. The power of this one, not on this much. Okay. So first you have to find which is the highest order of differential coefficient is there, that is d square s by dt square, second order differentiation. And then what is the highest power on this? This is 1 here. So this is your answer, that order is 2, degree is 1. Now I take another one. This you can take example 4 or question 4. This is d square y over dx square to the power 4 plus cos dy by dx is 0. Now again, what is order? Order you see it is 2 here because d2y by dx 2, but you can't get rid of this coefficient because of cos. So degree is not defined. Okay. Now I take question number 4, 5. This goes like d square y by dx square plus cos x, or sorry, is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. So what is order? 2. And what is the power on this? This is 1. So degree is 1. So order is 2, degree is 1. Now I have another example, question number 6. That is y triple prime whole square plus y double prime whole cube plus y dash whole to the power 4 plus y to the power 5 is 0. This is third order differential coefficient. This is second order, first order, and this is this normal variable y, which is dependent variable. Now what is the order here? So order is 3, and what is the power on this one? That is 2, so degree is 2. Now I need to clear this space. Now question number 9, it says that y double prime plus y dash whole square plus 2y is 0. So what is order? It is just visible because this is a proper polynomial form, but here this is highest order is 2, and what is the power on this? That is 1, so degree is 1. Now I go for question number 10 or something like that. Then we have y, sometimes I miss the order, y dash plus y is e to the power x. Now this is y dash means order is 1, and the power on this is also 1, so degree is also 1. Now question number 11, this goes like d cube y over dx cube whole to the power 3 plus dy by dx whole square plus sine dy by dx plus 1 equals 0. Now you see the order is 3, but to get rid of this so that this dy by dx becomes free, again we need to get it expressed in terms of sine inverse, means it will be undefined. So degree is not defined because this cannot be expressed in the proper polynomial like this or like this. So this is done. Next question is final one of this exercise is question number 12, which says that 2x square d square y over dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus y equals 0. This is so self is visible. This is order 2. Order 2, and what is highest power here? This is 1 because it's only one times occurring. So degree is 1. So this is how you determine the degree and order of differential equation. Now in the next video we'll try to understand what are the general solutions and what are the particular solutions of differential equation. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel and keep growing with us.